Siomai is one of the most popular street foods in the Philippines, and today we are making it even better with a rich and flavorful homemade chili garlic oil. These juicy pork dumplings are packed with flavor, and when paired with spicy, crispy garlic oil, every bite becomes absolutely irresistible. Whether you're making it for merienda, family gatherings, or even for a small food business, this recipe is simple, delicious, and sure to be a hit. Let's get started. Now let's make our delicious chili garlic sauce. Start by heating a small pan over medium heat and adding a few tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 6 chopped chilies. Stir them gently and cook for about a minute, allowing the garlic to become fragrant and lightly golden. Be careful not to burn the garlic as it can become bitter. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix everything well until the ingredients are fully incorporated. The brown sugar will add a touch of sweetness, while the tomato paste and oyster sauce provide richness and depth of flavor. Once everything is combined, add a little water to help create a smooth sauce. Continue stirring and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Let the sauce simmer gently for about a minute, allowing all the flavors to blend together beautifully. And there you have it, our homemade chili garlic sauce, ready to take our siomai to the next level. For our meat, we are using this beautiful pork tenderloin. Now, you can absolutely buy pre-ground pork from the store, but I prefer grinding it myself. That way, I know exactly what's going into it and I can control the texture and quality of the meat. If you have a food processor at home, this step is incredibly easy. Just cut the pork into smaller pieces, place them into the processor and pulse for a few seconds. As you can see, it doesn't take long at all for the pork to become nicely minced and ready for our filling. Here's a quick tip. If your pork is on the lean side, consider adding a little pork lard or extra pork fat. Not only it will add a lot more flavor, but it will also help keeping the filling juicy and tender after cooking. Combined with egg, it helps bind everything together and creates a better texture in the finished siomai. At this point, season the pork with salt and black pepper, but you can also customize the filling with your favorite spices and seasonings. In a small container, let's prepare a simple flour paste by mixing a little flour with some water. This will act as our glue and help seal the wrappers as we shape the siomai. Here we have our siomai wrappers and our pork filling. And you'll see that making this is actually very simple. Start by taking one wrapper and lightly brushing or spreading some of the flour mixture around the edges. Then place a spoonful of the pork filling right in the center. Next, using one hand, gently bring the wrapper up around the filling to form a small cup shape. With the back of the spoon or even your fingers, lightly press the filling down into the wrapper. This helps compact the meat and gives the siomai its classic shape. Make sure each piece has a generous amount of filling without overstuffing it. And just like that, we have our first siomai. Let's make another one. Take a wrapper, apply a little flour mixture around the edges, add a spoonful of pork filling in the center, use your hand to carefully shape it into that familiar siomai form. Once you get the hang of it, the process becomes quick and easy, and you can make a whole batch in no time. We'll continue shaping the rest of the siomai until all the filling has been used up and they're ready for steaming. Using one pork tenderloin, I was able to make about 15 good-sized siomai, which is perfect for sharing. As you can see, they're nicely filled and have a great size to them. Not that all the siomai are shaped and ready to go, it's time for one of the easiest part of the process, steaming. Arrange the dumplings in a steamer, making sure to leave a little space between each piece so they cook evenly and they don't stick together. And with that, we are ready to steam these delicious homemade dumplings until they perfectly cook, juicy, and ready to be served with our flavorful chili garlic sauce. Once they are fully cooked, do yourself a favor and serve yourself as many as you want. You earn it. To serve, mix some calamansi juice or lime juice with soy sauce for a simple but delicious dipping sauce. Then, be generous with our homemade chili garlic sauce. Don't be shy. The spicy, garlicky flavor is what takes this siomai to the next level. Take a look at that. Tender, juicy pork wrapped in a delicate dumpling wrapper, topped with a flavorful sauce that's sweet, savory, spicy, and packed with garlic. Now, all that's left to do is dig and enjoy. Whether you're making this for a family, friends, or just for yourself, these homemade siomai are guaranteed to satisfy. Enjoy! As always, familia, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mexi Pinoy Kitchen for more delicious Mexican and Filipino recipes. Leave a comment below and let me know what you like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Salamat po!